Dave Zabo from Remedy Simulation Group. For those of you that don't know us, I'll walk you through a little bit of our products, and those of you that have seen us before, you get a little refresher on what we have to offer this year. So we start with our custom products. Half of our business is dealing with different physicians, different schools, different medical device companies, and we can create custom products and we can manufacture for just about any other simulation company as well. We have all the 3D printers, all the skills, all the molding, casting, and we can use that to help just about anybody, not just our own products. One of our cool new products this year is Champ. We're going to enter the veterinary market, and we're starting with a very simple IV trainer building on our existing Vesseal technology. Here's the final product. You definitely can access the vessel, and then we built in an injection pad, and then obviously comes with our blood bags and pressurize the vessel for access. Kind of moving along, moulage tattoos. Built for the ATLS course originally, designed by the Henry M. Jackson Foundation. They're temporary tattoos, perfect for moulage. Armando, product coming soon. Going to be a full IV arm. We call this our pediatric version. We'll be able to get access in multiple places on the wrist, typical IV access, and then we're going to build in an injection pad as well. And again, building on all of our core Vesseal technology, there'll be no mess, easy connections, and the vessels will last a long time. And then the core of our technology is all of our basic nursing skills. And I think what we'll see this year is some different packages coming out. We started with our Nursing 101 kit that includes a little bit of everything for getting all of your basic nursing skills covered. Injection pads, IV starts, our IV flow training, skins for suturing, and then of course Kathy and Willie for Foley catheterization. So if there's any questions, any comments, always email us info@remedysim.com, and we can definitely take care of any of your simulation needs.